Yo, what's up guys? Back to video here. Today we will be doing a vacuuming on the Bissell Powerforce Bagless model 6579-3. I don't know if you guys saw in my last video, but I don't know what that was, but anyways, if you did not see my last video, the Dirt Devil Power Max Pet, I do not have this. I do not have that vacuum anymore. So you will not be seeing really not as many Dirt Devil Power Max Pet videos because I don't have that vacuum anymore. Not thrown away. I gave it to my friend. He only lives a few houses down, over that way. So yeah, you'll see more videos of it, but not as often. So, anyways, we have the Bissell Powerforce Bagless, and we will be doing a vacuuming because I have not done a vacuuming, and I'm sure you guys are tired of me not uploading. So, anyways, so I guess you guys probably want to see some vacuuming action going on here. So, anyways, so yeah, here we go. And also, by the way, we are so close to 200 subs. Like, I did not expect for us to reach 200 subscribers. So I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could go down and hit that subscribe button. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Here we go. you guys have it. There is the vacuuming of the that is the vacuuming of the Bissell Powerforce Bagless model 6579-3. I hope this is a long enough video to hold you guys over, because I know you guys probably get waiting for me to upload more, and I apologize for that. Sitting down here, my chair. But anyways, so yeah, that's the vacuuming of the Bissell Powerforce Bagless. So, ooh, what's that sticker say up there? I don't know if the camera can read it or not. Maybe you can. Maybe you can, I don't know. But let's see. Bagless, lightweight, onboard tools, easy empty dirt container. Wow. That sure does. That sure is an easy empty dirt container right there, because that lever right there, you just switch it to the left, and then that whole canister comes out. So that sure is an easy empty. And then all you do is just dump it into the bin, trash can. So that sure is an easy empty. That's for sure. So it has an easy empty dirt container. Ooh, and it has washable filters. So people, these Bissell vacuum cleaners have washable filters. So they have washable filters. You can put them under the water. Do not be afraid to put the filters in the water. Some filters you cannot put in the water. If it's paper, do not put it in the water. But if it's that type of filter in a canister, or that type of filter right there, both of those filters, well, in this machine, both filters are washable. But some filters are washable, some are not washable. But anyways, this is the end of the Bissell Powerforce Bagless, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that pretty much ends it right here. Like, comment, subscribe. We are so close to 200 subscribers. I would greatly appreciate it if you can just go down below and hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button, and also while you're there, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so you'll be notified every single time you upload, or every single time I upload a video. So we are so close to 200 subscribers, and I would greatly appreciate it if you can just go down below and hit the subscribe button. But anyways, this pretty much ends it right here, and that pretty much ends it right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more with the Bissell Powerforce Bagless. Like I said, you may not see, like I said at the beginning of the video, you may not see as much vacuuming videos with the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet, because I don't have that vacuum anymore. But you'll still see it in the future, but not as often. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and go, because I'm just doing nothing but talking now. So yeah, that ends it right here. Let me know in the comments, guys, on what you want me to do next. So anyways, yeah, I'm just starting to talk too much now, because I still have not ended the video yet, and I am starting to just run my mouth now. So anyways, that ends it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're so close to 200 subscribers. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys can just go down below and hit the subscribe button. But pretty much ends it right here. And until next time, guys, peace out.